How dentists keep our teeth so sparkling clean. Beyond those tiny brushes and minty pastes lies a world of advanced technology, including the ultrasonic scaler. These tools are crucial for removing stubborn plaque and tartar, those pesky films that love to cling to our teeth. Ultrasonic scalers are like tiny jackhammers for your teeth, but don't worry, they're completely safe and painless. They use high-frequency vibrations to break down calculus, leaving your teeth feeling smooth and looking brighter. But how do these marvels of modern dentistry actually work? There are two main types of ultrasonic scalers, magnetostrictive and piezoelectric. Both achieve the same goal, but through different mechanisms, much like how a car and a bicycle can both get you to the shops, but with different engines. Understanding these differences can help us appreciate the wonders of dental technology and how it contributes to our overall health. Let's delve into the fascinating world of ultrasonic scalers and explore the science behind their cleaning power. Magnetostrictive scalers are the heavy lifters of the dental cleaning world. Imagine a tiny metal strip or rod, much thinner than a toothpick, housed within the scaler's handpiece. This metal component is the heart of the magnetostrictive scaler. When electricity flows through a coil surrounding this metal strip, it generates a magnetic field. This field causes the metal to vibrate rapidly, thousands of times per second. These vibrations are then transferred to the scaler's tip, which moves in an elliptical pattern, like a tiny brush going back and forth. The frequency of these vibrations typically ranges from 20,000 to 45,000 hertz, which is far beyond what our ears can perceive. However, we can certainly feel the cleaning power as the tip dances across our teeth, shattering calculus and leaving a polished surface behind. Now let's turn our attention to piezoelectric scalers, which utilize a different kind of magic, the power of crystals. These scalers employ special ceramic crystals, often quartz, that possess a unique property called the piezoelectric effect. What does this mean? Simply put, when an electric current is applied to these crystals, they change shape, vibrating at incredibly high frequencies. These vibrations are then transmitted to the scaler's tip, causing it to move in a linear, back-and-forth motion. Piezoelectric scalers typically operate at frequencies between 25,000 to 50,000 hertz, making them slightly faster than their magnetostrictive counterparts. This rapid, linear motion effectively blasts away plaque and tartar, leaving your teeth feeling squeaky clean. Section 4. Comparing the Titan's heat, noise, and efficiency. While both magnetostrictive and piezoelectric scalers are highly effective at cleaning teeth, they have subtle differences that impact their performance and suitability for certain situations. One key distinction lies in heat production. Magnetostrictive scalers tend to generate more heat during operation due to the constant vibration of the metal components. This necessitates the use of water coolant to prevent overheating and ensure patient comfort. Piezoelectric scalers, on the other hand, produce significantly less heat thanks to the efficient energy transfer within the crystals. This makes them inherently cooler and often eliminates the need for as much water coolant. Another factor to consider is noise level. Magnetostrictive scalers, with their elliptical tip movement, can sometimes produce a slightly louder, high-pitched whine. Piezoelectric scalers, known for their linear motion, tend to operate more quietly, making them a more pleasant experience for some patients. Section 5. Choosing the right scaler, matching needs and technology. So, which type of ultrasonic scaler reigns supreme? The answer, like many things in science, is not so simple. Both magnetostrictive and piezoelectric scalers have their strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different applications. Magnetostrictive scalers, with their powerful elliptical motion, excel at removing heavy calculus deposits. They are like the bulldozers of the dental world, capable of tackling even the most stubborn buildup. Piezoelectric scalers, known for their precision and quieter operation, are often preferred for more delicate procedures, such as removing plaque in sensitive areas or treating periodontal disease. Ultimately, the choice of scaler depends on the specific needs of the patient and the expertise of the dental professional. Like any good craftsman, dentists select the right tool for the job, ensuring optimal cleaning and a comfortable experience for their patients.